Number 1. Microjig GRR Ripper SP2 Mercajig MJ Splitter Steel Pro. Finally, a table saw splitter that is easy to install, easy to use, easy to align, and doesn't get in the way. The MJ Splitter Steel Pro has a 100% polycarbonate shell reinforced with a solid stainless steel foundation, able to take on the stress caused by many solid woods. The Steel Pro will greatly reduce the chance of kickback on your table saw and virtually eliminate burning.
Number 2. Carry Japanese Pull Saw 9.5 inch. Compared with 6-inch saw, 9.5-inch pull saw enables larger working area for more working possibilities. Meanwhile, 9.5-inch saw saves at least 50% force than 6-inch. As woodworking professional knows, saw with 3-sided grinding teeth is sharper and wear-resistant and thus has a longer lifespan. Besides, the denser side teeth are quenched to be harder.
Number 3. Beavercraft S15 Whittling Wood Carving Kit. This kit can help you start your carving journey. It has all you need to carve: leather plus polishing compound, detail knife, cutting knife, roughing knife, and a tool roll for storing instruments.
Number 4. Boeri Adjustable Spoke Chave with Flat Base. The spoke shave tool has an intuitive flat base and a good weight for the handles, making it easy to use and give better precision for finer cuts on the woodworking project at hand. The use of double screw adjustment screw, you can easily adjust the planing thickness, lock stable planing smooth. Easily adjustable, simply removing the screws and sliding into desired position. Both pieces have a user-friendly shape, giving it suitable ergonomics, fitting in your hand comfortably. This woodworking hand tool is used on wood craft, wood carver, and woodworking for plain complex surfaces and irregular patterns. Perfect for starter and beginner use. Adjustable cutters ideal for shaping the chair legs and seats, curved templates, and many other kinds of curved work.
Number 5. Amazon Basics Number 4 Adjustable Universal Bench Hand Plane with 2-inch blade for precision woodworking. Durable cast iron body provides stability and strength. Impact-resistant plastic handle with contoured grip. Durable steel alloy blade makes quality cuts. Adjustable gear that allows you to achieve precise results.
Number 6. DRKT Wet and Dry Sandpaper Set. 14 type of grits in 120 to 3000. 3 sheets of each and 42 sheets in total. Sponge polishing block, green, 3000 grit, white, 7000 grit. The handheld part provides comfort for prolonged sanding and easy one-handed operation. Number 7. Tolisa 10-inch spring clamps for woodworking. Quick, versatile, and lightweight, easy to attach, release, and reposition, making them ideal for professional carpentry, woodworking, photography, artwork, and other DIY projects. Number 8. Milescraft 8-inch clamp squares. The Milescraft 8-inch clamp squares are the ultimate solution when you need to square up corners in your woodworking assembly and gluing applications. These clamp squares are durable and lightweight, making them easy to use. Unlike metal squares, these clamp squares will not mar your work pieces. 90 degrees angles are a woodworking essential, which makes these the perfect accessory. Clamp squares can be used on both inside and outside edges. The 8-inch squares are ideal for project construction, from assembling boxes to building shelving.
Number 9. Folding saw, heavy-duty 11-inch extra-long blade hand saw for wood. Durable SKF5 steel blade for efficient cutting during camping, survival, bushcraft, landscaping, and general yard work. Heavy-duty rugged 11-inch long blade helps you power through thick branches faster. 11-inch blade is ideal for cutting 6-inch to 7-inch diameter branches. Aggressive staggered teeth, 7 TPI, allows ultra-smooth and sharp sawing. Comfortable and longer rubber-coated polymer handle ensures a firm grip in any weather condition. Number 10. Ionozik Setup Blocks Height Gauge Set. The setup blocks can easily set the height of the fence, blades, bits, and other cutters according to the needs, which is faster and more accurate than using a combined ruler. Combine bars to set up 1/100 of measurements. Stack setup bars for a wide variation or sizes, or use on their own, work and measure quickly.